the way the world is right now, it's overwhelming. It feels like there's not a lot we can do.
And right now we're facing like the biggest species extinction that we've ever seen. So I think it's really important to look at safeguarding ecosystems and restoring them.
When I think about the ecological restoration program, I definitely feel an overarching sense of community. I feel a sense of belonging, both to other people and to the land that we are tending and living on and working towards improving and repairing.
When I think about it, it gives me hope, and it makes me feel like, you know, there's always more to learn.
How does it make me feel? I guess really grateful. I think that there is this program that is so empowering and so useful, I think, for the world right now. It feels like there's so much out there that I'm now enabled to take part in that I wasn't before. Opened a lot of really exciting doors for me, I think.
Restoration Natural System programs is really great because it gives you great background on all kinds of different systems. So it doesn't just focus on water, for example, or on soil, but it helps you understand like the specifics of each, but also how each are interconnected. And so you're getting this really broad view of how everything fits together and how everything is interconnected. Taking these small steps, I think is really important to be able to have these landscapes for future generations.